everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're continuing our gift in a jar series with another classic peanut butter cookie mix in a jar, complete with the peanut butter, and I've fixed it up so you can make a traditional version with the crosshatch or the peanut butter blossoms, which are Rick's favorite. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to tackle another cookie mix in a jar, and this one is going to blow your mind a little, I think. Today we're going to make a mix for peanut butter cookies, and you're going to be able to do a traditional crosshatch peanut butter cookie, or you're going to be able to do one of Rick's favorites, which is peanut butter blossoms. And you know what they look like. They look like this, right? So the peanut butter traditional cookies have that crosshatch fork pattern in them, and then the peanut butter blossoms, you insert a chocolate kiss right after they come out of the oven, and everybody's happy. We have all the things we need here. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have a half a cup of packed brown sugar. I have a half a cup of granulated sugar and a half a cup of peanut butter powder. This is found right where the peanut butter is found in your grocery store. It's just freeze-dried peanut butter powder, and a lot of people, like, we use it for protein shakes and different things, but I thought we could totally use this in a peanut butter cookie mix. We're also going to use a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then, of course, if you want them to be able to make the blossoms, you're going to need to include the chocolate kisses, and you're going to need some ribbon, a quart-sized mason jar, and your printable tags. And there will be a link down below to the recipe, and the printable tags will also be included in that download. And now we're going to go ahead and build our jar. The first thing we have to do is take our flour, and we're going to mix our leavening, which is the baking powder and baking soda, and we're going to mix the salt in there as well. Give this a bit of a whisk. And now you're just going to put the flour mixture in the bottom of your 1-quart jar. Just like always, we're going to go ahead and tap, tap, tap on the counter until we level everything out and everything is nice and compacted in there. Okay, next up is peanut butter powder. We're just going to pop that right in there. And then I'm going to get my tart tamper in here, and I'm going to tamp this down really well. The peanut butter powder also likes to stick to the side of the jar, so you might want to get a little spatula and go ahead and just remove it from the sides. Now we're going to go in with our granulated sugar, again leveling that out, and our brown sugar, which is packed brown sugar. And we're going to go ahead and give this a tamp down as well. And that is all that is required here. However, if you like, you can actually fill this void in your jar with some of these kisses. And there you have it. That is peanut butter cookie mix in a jar. If you don't want to use chocolate kisses, you can use M&Ms or Reese's Pieces or just chocolate chips.
Peanut butter cups.
You could use those mini peanut butter cups they actually have in the baking aisle. They're unwrapped and they're ready to go. So it's up to you. Now all we have to do is decorate up our jar. And then you can give this, you can tie the chocolate kisses onto the jar if you like, or you can just put this in a cute little gift bag, and everybody is just gonna love this gift. I just know it. Well, there you have it. Our peanut butter cookie mix gift in a jar, all ready to go, ready for you to make and enjoy this holiday season. You're lucky this time because I had to do some R&D, research and development, because I wanted to make sure that this was going to work for you guys, and sure enough, it does work. All your recipient is going to have to add here are 2 sticks of softened butter, 1 egg, and a teaspoon or so of vanilla extract. Everything is ready to go in the jar for them other than that. And like I said, you can turn this into, you know, a peanut butter cup cookie. You can turn it into a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. You can turn it into a peanut butter M&M cookie. It's completely up to you. You don't have to give the chocolate kisses. You can do whatever you want. This would be a great gift for the neighbors, especially if they have kids, for Halloween. I think that that would just be a fun something to give, because I think Halloween's going to be a little bit different this year. Maybe doing this and giving this to the family with children, especially, or without children. Think about that. You could decorate it up not just for Christmas, but you could decorate it up for any time. This would make a great birthday gift for a friend or family member. Think outside that box. So I hope you give us a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.